Hey folks, Mobile Geezer back at you, and this is my unboxing and first impressions of the iPhone XR. So as you can see, I got the product red. I think it's a beautiful device, and most of you probably know I'm pretty much a newbie at this iPhone stuff. I've had one other one more than 2 years ago. So let's take a look around the phone. On the right, our power button and SIM tray. On the left, our volume up and down, and our mute switch. Down the bottom, our lightning connector, microphone and speaker. Around back, our single camera and flash microphone, Apple logo, iPhone and product red logo. Around front, we have that notch for Face ID and our camera, which you'll see once we boot it up. So let's see if we've got any power. And I'll get this booted up, set up, and get back to you. So here we've got everything up and running. Seems very fast and smooth. Of course, some people worry about that 3 gigabytes of RAM, but from what I've seen, that won't be a problem. Apple always optimizes everything very, very nicely. Personally, I think this phone is absolutely gorgeous. I think the display is beautiful, even though it's LCD. Since I wasn't willing to spend over $1,000, I thought this was a nice compromise, and I'm glad I bought the R. So everything is up and running. Of course, I have a lot to learn, but as you can see, this is still not set up exactly the way I'd want it. Somewhat trying to make it look something like Android, but it's a beautiful phone. I got the product red, as you can see, and so far I'm liking it. Face ID seems to work just fine, and you can see I'm kind of fumbling around because I'm just not used to having an iPhone, but I'll learn, and hopefully you guys will learn with me. And I'll have some case videos up pretty soon. So I've been using it about a half a day right now, and seems to be okay. It took me a long time to get all my contacts and stuff in because I set it up as a new phone. Didn't copy from my Android phone. So that's basically it for now, folks. Just wanted you to see that I have it set up. My impression is that I'm going to like this phone. I have no problems with the display. I think it's actually beautiful. I'll take a few sample shots sometime between today and tomorrow and get those up. And then we'll move on to some case videos. And then we'll start comparing it to some of the other phones. So that's it for now. The iPhone XR. So far, I'm liking it very much. As always, comments are welcome. Thanks for watching.
Yeah.